Embracing the Mediterranean diet, a recipe for health and happiness. Our Mediterranean journey begins at a local market, where vibrant colors and fragrant aromas greet us. Here, you'll find the freshest ingredients that form the heart of this diet. At the core of the Mediterranean diet are fruits and vegetables. These are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that nourish your body and protect your health. Olive oil is the liquid gold of the Mediterranean diet. It's not only delicious but also packed with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. Use it for cooking, drizzling, and dressing your dishes. Seafood, especially fatty fish like salmon and sardines, is a protein powerhouse. It's rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which support heart and brain health. Whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and whole wheat bread are the foundation of this diet. They provide lasting energy, fiber, and essential nutrients for a balanced meal. Don't forget about nuts and seeds. They're the perfect crunchy snack and a great source of healthy fats, protein, and fiber. Dairy products, especially yogurt and cheese, are enjoyed in moderation. They provide calcium and probiotics, promoting gut health and strong bones. Herbs and spices are the Mediterranean secret to adding flavor without excess salt or sugar. Basil, oregano, and garlic are just a few of the aromatic treasures. But the Mediterranean diet isn't just about food, it's a lifestyle. Meals are meant to be shared with loved ones, savored slowly, and enjoyed in a relaxed atmosphere. Research shows that the Mediterranean diet can reduce the risk of heart disease, promote weight loss, support brain health, and increase longevity. So, there you have it, the Mediterranean diet, a harmonious blend of delicious flavors and wholesome ingredients. It's not just a diet, it's a way of life that promotes health, happiness, and a strong sense of community.